Pete Senior, that is, I was asking Bishop Palma, Bishop, usa man ang Pete? It's it is a word where ang iyang interpretation, miuyon siya sa akong panahon. P is palihog in town, Tambangi. Senyor Santo Niño. Pete Senior, palihog in town, Tambangi. We are pleading that Senyor Santo Niño will help us in all our problems, in all our endeavors, in all our prosperity, in all our kanang isud kayo sa kaimtang. And Santo Niño will always there to help you.
Dili na sangpit.
It's a word of sangpit, sangpiton lang. But there was no meaning of umiyokang sangpit. Sangpit for what? Palihog, pleading, in town, you are asking for help. Palihog, in town, Tabangi. Senyor Santo Niño. Ang mga tao has its own problem, has its own kanang mga kapakyasan, but Santo Niño gets hope. Ug mo sangpit ra gyud ka niya. Sangpit ra gyud ka niya. Mo na nga Pete Senior, palihog in town, Tabangi.
Taga tuig gyud ka mapil sa fluvial procession.
Sukad nga nagsugod si Mayor Joy Roble. He is my close friend and he's the president of Centuries Diocesan Shrine Association, Diocese of Naval. Unya, I started 2000 hangtod karon meaning maong fluvial procession. Unya, we do also our fluvial in Leyte during the Fiesta of Centuries of the Child Jesus, Diocesan Shrine in Obispo Calubian, Leyte, every third Friday, Saturday of October. Unya, kaupat na kahigayon nga niduaw ang relic ni Centuries o usa kahigayon miduaw dito ang original icon ni Senyor Santo Niño, and there was 200 PNP, 200 mga ni cooperate yun ang tanan. And kisargo taong kung mo ingon sa taga Philippine Navy, Coast Guard nga mo ito Senyor Santo Niño and Centuries nga mo'y nagmugna niyanto. Through us, pinagi ni Mayor Joy Roble, doktor man ni siya, bako naman ni graduate o doa ni ka-doktoral ang iya. O niya, I was the one who encouraged him. Una natudlo siya as commissioner sa CPA, Cebu Port Authority.